Hi, in this video let me show you how you can connect your HP laptop to an external monitor to extend the display or mirror what is already on your HP laptop screen. Let's get started right away. So step number one is to determine how we're going to connect the computer, the HP laptop, to the monitor. Most laptops will have on one of the side an HDMI port. Okay, on my laptop it's this one, the first one. If you don't see any HDMI ports on this side or on the other one, it means, well, obviously it means you cannot simply connect an HDMI cable. You will need, and you'll have many options, a USB Type-C cable to HDMI. Or if your monitor takes USB Type-C, you simply need a USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable that supports data transfer. And I'll put links in the description for all these options. In my case, as you saw, my laptop takes HDMI. Therefore, I have an HDMI to HDMI cable. I'll connect one end over here and one end in my monitor, right over there. Right away, as you see, it starts working without me having to touch anything. If it's not the case, you may have to go in the menu of your monitor. You may have some buttons on the side, on the back, somewhere. And if your monitor has multiple inputs, for example, over here I have one HDMI port and one display port. Your monitor may have two monitors inputs. Therefore, you have to select the one where you have connected the cable. So HDMI 1, HDMI 2, display port, all right? So at this point, as you notice, whatever is on my laptop is mirrored on this monitor. Exactly the same thing is happening on both displays. What if you want to extend the display of your laptop so that you can move windows from here to there and have more space to work with? Well, in that case, we need to click on the Windows logo and select Settings. Then on this side, the left side, you're going to click on System, Display. And over here you can see duplicate these displays so that both are doing the same thing. If you want to extend, you're going to click and you have Extend this display. Keep changes, and now, as you notice, they're not displaying the same thing. It's important over here to place your external display exactly where it is. So for example, one over here is my laptop. My external display is on the left side. Therefore, I'll drag the number 2 display so it's on the left side of the number 1. So now I will click Apply. And as you see, my mouse is traveling from a display to another. I can even drag windows now, and it works really easily. And since we are in this menu, you can even scroll down and you have more options if you want to enable HDR. But every time you edit something here, make sure you select the display you want to edit. So for example, if I want to add HDR to my external display, I have to select it in blue and then go down and make those changes. Resolution, as you see, you can change many different things depending what brand of display you have. Now let me show you how you can use your HP laptop with its lid closed with an external monitor, just like you would use a desktop. So the first thing we need to do over here is to go back up, and you're going to select duplicate these displays. Wait a few seconds, keep changes. Then you're going to go on the left side, click on System, go on Power and Battery over here. Then select Lid, Power and Sleep button controls, go down. And over here, where you see closing the lid will make my PC, select Do Nothing. Same thing on battery, Closing the lid will make my PC do nothing. Next, you're going to connect to your HP laptop a wireless mouse or wired mouse, it doesn't matter, and an external keyboard as well. I have already done this. Now, if I close the lid of my HP laptop, the screen went black, but it comes back alive. And from now on, I don't know if you see here, my HP laptop the lid is turned off, it's closed down, but I can still use my laptop on my external monitor, which is great. So it can act as a desktop. So this is about it. This is how you connect your HP laptop to an external monitor, and also how to use it with the lid closed in case you want to do this. Thanks for watching. Check my Amazon links in the description down below to get an HDMI cable if you don't have one, or even put links towards monitors if you don't already own one, keyboard, mouse, and everything. Thanks, subscribe, like, and leave a comment down below.